This exercise will show you how to do the helix spiral command. First, you must draw a simple circle. So I'm going to choose my top plane. I'm going to hit sketch and draw a circle using the red crosshair as my center. The size of the circle does not matter for now, so I'm going to type in 1 for the radius and hit the check mark. You're then going to go to your isometric view. So click on your views up here in the center and choose isometric. The next command you're going to do is you're going to go over to this black arrow that says next to Sldwks. You'll notice how new menus appear. You're going to go to the menu that says Insert, and you're going to go down to Curve. You'll notice that the only one highlighted is Helix Spiral. When you click on this, your circle now turns into a spring or a spiral-like shape. Over here you're going to type in the pitch. The pitch stretches the top of the spiral from the bottom. Notice how it's stretching. The revolution is the number of turns it takes within the pitch. So I'm going to make this pitch an even 2. And I'm going to make the revolutions 5. Notice how it's spinning 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the distance between the two is 2 inches. You can go clockwise or counterclockwise. You can decide on the direction you want. The start angle should always be 90 degrees. So hit 90 and hit enter. Now you can always go back and change any of these numbers anytime. Once you're done, you hit the check mark. That circle that you first originally created has now turned into a spring, but this is still a 2D shape. We have yet to make it 3D. We're now going to show you this sweep command. You need to choose a plane that's perpendicular to the starting point. So notice how the front plane is perpendicular to where it starts here and where it ends here. I'm going to draw a simple circle on the front plane, and I'm going to put it at the tip of the line just like this. Now the size again is all according to measurements on papers, but for now I'm going to make it a 1/4 inch radius. Hit the check mark. Now you're not going to use any other command. You're not going to go to features extrude. You're going to actually exit through the command. You'll notice how you have a gray circle and a blue spring. This is the command you're going to use right there. It's called swept boss base. When you choose on this command, it's going to ask you for 2 selections. One is the small circle, and then the second is the spring, which is the path. So make sure this is highlighted first. Choose the small circle, which should be gray. The second box is pink. Notice how it's highlighting this green and green. That's your path. This is the path you want to choose. Select it. You'll now notice it turned into a noodle following the spring all the way to the top. Hit the check mark to complete the task. This is now a 3D object. You can always go back and edit the size of the circle or edit the size of the spring. That's how you use the sweep boss base command, and that's how you use the helix spiral command.